Hey, have you ever wondered about the difference between Azure AD B2B and B2C? I was just delving into this today, and I've got to say, it's quite fascinating. Let me walk you through it. Essentially, Azure AD B2B and B2C are different identity management services provided by Microsoft Azure. Azure AD B2B is designed for businesses, while Azure AD B2C targets consumers. They're both built on Azure Active Directory, but they focus on different audiences. Now, Azure AD B2B allows for secure and easy business identity management. This service caters to external partners and third-party vendors that need to access your business applications and resources. It's particularly beneficial for scenarios where partners need to authenticate and get consented for app or service access, typically in business-to-business contexts. For instance, if you are using cloud-based applications for your business and you need your partner companies to access them seamlessly, Azure AD B2B is the way to go. This service sets your business up for managing access to your SaaS or on-premises applications using the same tools you use to manage your internal users. On the other hand, Azure AD B2C is geared toward businesses with customer-facing services. This service lets businesses manage digital identities for their customers, integrating sign-up and sign-in processes directly into their applications or websites, usually in business-to-consumer contexts. It also provides a way to govern customer consent for collecting personal information and supports various identity stores to handle customers' identities. Azure AD B2C is fantastic for businesses that are building their websites or apps and want to handle customer identity and access directly from Microsoft Azure. Let me share a story to make this clearer. ImaginaryTech implemented Azure AD B2B when they started a partnership with Imaginary Designers, a freelance graphic design firm. ImaginaryTech needed to grant limited access to the firm's cloud accounts and resources so Imaginary Designers could collaborate effectively without compromising their internal security. Azure AD B2B allowed ImaginaryTech to securely manage access rights, and they used the single sign-on feature for a smooth workflow. Another difference is the governance capabilities. Imagine you are at an educational startup providing online learning resources. If you want to ensure that educational content providers can only access the system during operational hours, or if you want to control the sharing of sensitive student data, Azure AD B2C would be a perfect fit because it provides robust consent and governance mechanisms tailored to customer-facing environments. Moreover, Azure AD B2B focuses more on access management with partners, while Azure AD B2C is built on a user journey experience with a strong emphasis on creating seamless, delightful sign-in experiences for customers every single time they access your system. As for pricing, Azure AD B2B typically charges per app integration and the number of users, whereas Azure AD B2C charges per user and the number of transactions within those apps. Remember, if you have a use case for either service, you'd better consider both the user experience and administrative needs as part of your decision-making process. When integrating Azure AD B2B or B2C, it's imperative to follow best practices like securing communication via encryption, regularly reviewing permissions, and adopting an identity governance framework within Azure AD. Also, don't forget about compliance with data protection laws, whether it's GDPR or CCPA. Knowing these requirements is crucial. So there you have it, Azure AD B2B versus B2C explained. It's clear that picking the right one for your tech ecosystem depends on whether you are looking at the backstage or onstage interactions in your business world. For deeper dives, Check out Neeraj on zz.io. His insights could open new doors for your enterprise strategies. Subscribe to his TechLab for more tech enlightenment. Tune into this journey and let's continue to learn and leap into technology tabletop security and identity management services. Happy exploring! Visit neeraj.io and subscribe to TechLab.